Recently, while hosting a party at home, I noticed something alarming. Our small clownfish tank had turned milky white. This was a serious situation. The anemones and clownfish inside could be at risk. But what could have caused this? I needed to solve this mystery and fix the tank fast. Just a couple of hours earlier, the tank was crystal clear. A friend of mine, Per, had been experimenting with close-up video recordings of the clownfish eggs. You can clearly see their silver reflective eyes and small yolk sacs. They were just 1 day away from hatching. The tank seemed in perfect condition. No sign of the trouble that was about to unfold. To tackle the problem, I immediately performed an emergency water change to remove the milky water. Fortunately, we have a large, stable tank and 2 bins of clean marine water on hand, prepared from deionized water mixed with precise amounts of marine salt and minerals, creating a perfectly balanced environment. I added about 70 extra liters of this clean water to the large tank, allowing me to use it as a source for refilling the small tank. I siphoned the milky water out in 3 stages, ensuring the anemones and clownfish eggs remained covered throughout. After 3 rounds, most of the milkiness was gone, and the water was clear again. But the mystery remained. What caused the water to become milky in the first place? Fortunately, I had encountered this before and suspected that the top anemone was the culprit. In the past, I had witnessed this phenomenon, the anemone releasing a milky substance into the water. This is how they spawn. While I didn't catch it in the act this time, reviewing the footage from earlier revealed something else intriguing. The female clownfish appeared agitated. At first, I thought she was biting the rocks, or maybe even the eggs. But later videos confirmed that the eggs were untouched. Then it struck me. She was actually biting the anemone. I'm not sure why. Was she trying to provoke the spawning, or was she reacting to it? As the interaction continued, you can see some of the anemone's tentacles retracting and becoming lumpy, almost as if they were injured. This is where I need your help. If you have any insights into this fascinating event, please leave a comment below. Let's solve this mystery together.